Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by removing variability. Set your camera to manual exposure, manual focus, and a fixed white balance so each frame matches the last. Once done, secure the camera to a tripod and mark key positions on the set with tape. That gives consistent reference points. Then use onion skinning or an overlay tool and make the first moves, small, measured increments, so motion reads smoothly. Make sure lighting is constant and avoid touching the camera. Those initial habits prevent jitter from the very first frame. You now focus on how the object moves. Use precise increments, rulers, armature detents, or a grid to keep spacing consistent between frames. Once you have baseline movement, apply easing. Add extra frames at starts and stops and reduce frames during steady motion so movement feels natural. Make sure to preview playback at your target frame rate, 12 to 24 frames per second, and adjust spacing as needed. Also lock exposure and white balance before long takes, because a single flicker ruins perceived. You finish by cleaning and stabilizing. Import frames, remove dust and flicker, then apply mild stabilization only where needed so you do not warp motion. Once done, consider subtle frame blending or optical flow interpolation for microsmoothing, but make sure it doesn't introduce ghosting. Export at the native frame rate and check final timing. If you encounter sudden jerks or large alignment issues, reshoot those sequences. Small shakes can be corrected in software, but major position errors need new frames for true smoothness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.